Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee at home. Start by selecting fresh beans and clean equipment, then measure coffee and water precisely. I'll walk you through pick your method choices, from pour over to French press, and explain grind, ratio, and temperature so your cup tastes great every morning. Follow simple steps and small adjustments to dial in flavor, body, and strength in a friendly, easy way for everyday brewing. In this video, I will show how to make coffee at home. Measure beans and set your burr grinder to match the method, then use a clear ratio like 1:15 as a starting point. I'll guide you through tweaking grind size and dose for balance, showing how small changes affect flavor. Keep notes, taste deliberately, and you'll learn to repeat preferred results. This approach makes dialing in a perfect cup simple and rewarding. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more coffee tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated when you're standing at the counter dialing in your grind and timing, and it's great for toting iced coffee safely too. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy useful gear suggestions, consider trying one. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make coffee at home. I'll compare methods so you can pick one that matches your taste and lifestyle, explaining why pour over, French press, and AeroPress deliver different profiles. You'll learn basic technique steps for each, plus simple timing and pouring tips to improve extraction. The goal is practical guidance so you brew enjoyable coffee at home without fuss and feel confident experimenting with flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.